Welcome to full course Creating First NPM Package like a Pro. If you are just starting with a JavaScript package for NPM, this course is definitely for you. If you already has working experience with TypeScript, JavaScript for NPM packages, you're gonna see some handful of tricks and tips that can be useful in your development lifecycle. I'm going to set some tools and plugins to make a development really fun and easy. I have designed this course to focus on a production ready library. So we are going to build a HCalculator NPM package from scratch. We are going to set up a Git and GitHub repository for our package. At the end of each logical completion, we are going to commit the code. So you can follow the same code during the course. If you are not familiar with the Git and GitHub, I am going to explain as much as possible so you can complete your work without any worries. We are going to set up a TypeScript environment for NPM packages. This course is definitely not for a TypeScript. We are mostly going to focus on how to set up a TypeScript for NPM package so you can use the TypeScript during your development. We are also going to set up a linting for your code. So your code should be standardized and following the recommendation. You should get the as much as possible error during coding before your completion. So you can remove it as early as possible. We are going to set up a ESLint for linting process. We are also going to set up a prettier for code formatter. We're gonna see how we can configure a prettier and ESLint during the build process. So our code should be well standardized and production ready before it gets to the GitHub repository. That means it all the errors should get thrown before you commit your code. For that purpose, we are going to use a Husky Git hooks so it should fail as early as possible. You're also going to see some unit testing, and we're also going to cover how we can use the unit testing with the most popular JavaScript testing framework Jest. We also put some lights on test-driven development using a Jest. At the end of this course, we are going to publish this HCalculator over the publicly on npmjs.com. If you would like, you can download the same package and use in your application. At the last but not the least, we are also going to cover how we can create the small documentation for your library. So we're gonna put some lights on the readme.tmt file. At the end of this course, you're going to have a full-fledged template that can be used for your npm packages as well as to create the new project in JavaScript and TypeScript. So you will have the handfuls of linting, prettier and all configured templates so your development lifecycle will be really short. I hope you are interested to see how all these tools can be configured and useful for the coding. Without further ado, we will get started with the coding in the next video. Thank you for watching this.